Okay, this is what I would do if I had a small law firm and I just started growing my firm and I need new clients. So this is what I would do. I saw this on Reddit. I love going on Reddit. I'm looking for ideas. Reddit is a treasure trove of ideas. Okay, let me say that right there. Um, yeah, so I saw this post. Tell me about your business, and I'll tell you how you can prove it. So, of course, I love leaving comments because I think you need to earn some credits in order to post something on Reddit. I'm just new on there and learning how to do it. But this person posted on there, I have a new law firm, been in business about a year and a half, and I need clients. So, and this is kind of a formula that I talk about often on my channel. It's networking. So I would join your local chamber of commerce and attend as many networking events as you can, because you've got to build a name for yourself. You've got to build your brand, and local advertising, local promotion is what you need if you are an attorney, because you have a geographical area in which you can practice. As your practice grows and your business grows, you can expand to service other states, but you've got to obviously practice in the states that you are licensed. So join your Chamber of Commerce, the Chamber of Commerce, and also Toastmasters. Toastmasters is a great organization to join. You can go visit a local chapter. I think most places have multiple chapters. Go visit your local Toastmasters because it will help you in your presentation, in your speaking, and especially if you are a trial lawyer, you're going to have to practice those muscles. So I would do that. Join your Chamber of Commerce, and I advocate for Chamber of Commerce because that's really like one of the best ways that I am growing my business. And I also am involved with BNI, Business Networking International. And that's not an organization that's for everybody because it's pretty regimented, but the chamber is more flexible because you don't have a requirement as far as how many meetings or networking events that you need to attend. But that's what I would do. If I was a small local attorney and I wanted to grow my business and get more clients, I would start there. Start with the Chamber of Commerce and then attend all of their events. They've got free ones. They have free ones because they want people to kind of check it out to see if that's an organization that they want to join. But I have built a lot of friendships in the chamber, and I'm building my business in the chamber because the best way to grow your business is to open your mouth, basically. And I also told her to build up your social media. So on your social media account, you're not going to be selling anything or getting new clients necessarily just from posting. But when you post on your social media accounts, you want to bring value to the reader. So and not necessarily giving advice, but answering some frequently asked questions. You can do that with a quick Google search or on ChatGPT. Those are very, very easy to do. So answering some frequently asked questions. What is the first thing you need to do if you get into an accident? If you are a family law attorney, criminal attorney, what to do if you get a DUI. Some people think that getting a DUI is like, okay, your goose is cooked. You got to just pay the fine. But there are ways to get out of it. So if you find a good local criminal attorney, they could possibly get you out of your DUI on a technicality, because in case you didn't know, if you get a DUI and you're found guilty of it, then they put a thing on your license called an SR22, and that means that your car insurance is going to be very expensive for the next 5 years, and there are some limitations on things that you can do if you have an SR22. So just FYI. And so those are the things that I recommended that she do. Is you got to get out there, and basically you have to advertise. You've got to promote your business, and the best ways to do it when you have limited resources is the things that you can do yourself. And I always say you can either pay in time or money. So if you don't have the money to advertise, you have to pay. You have to put in the time. So do some networking, get to know some people, and find some good partners, referral partners. Like, for example, if you are a personal injury attorney, a PI attorney, a massage therapist, or a chiropractor is a very good referral partner for you, because people go to these people like a massage therapist or chiropractor, and a lot of times those work hand in hand. If you get into an accident and your doctor says you need to see a chiropractor, so you go to the chiropractor and you tell him, oh my goodness, I got into a car accident. He can say, hey, if you don't already have one, I know of a very good personal injury attorney. So that's really how that works. And if you build some good relationships with chiropractors, massage therapists, if you're a PI attorney, that is a great referral source for you. So if you are limited in resources, networking and your chamber of commerce and also Toastmasters is a very good resource for you to build your business, build your confidence, and to get more clients, to build your client base. Okay, that's all I had for today. It was just a very quick video. I just wanted to tell you about some things that I'm learning on Reddit. All right, I'll see you guys later. See ya.